What's going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and today I'm going to be talking about something that I'm seeing all over Instagram, even like Facebook, but it's going to be sponsorships and how y'all need to stop buying sponsorships. And before this video even starts, I flooded 10 feet during Harvey. This is my garage area. We're working on it, as you can see. It has come very, very far recently. That's why the walls aren't finished, and I will be making a update video here in a few weeks just to show y'all my entire house, because I haven't done a walk around, I'd say, I don't know, 3 or 4 months. A bunch of work's been done. But as far as sponsorships, I know what some of y'all are thinking, sponsorships, those are supposed to be, companies reaching out to you and either giving you some kind of discount on their products or just giving you free products in general. Well, I've been seeing the Gentleman's Driving Club, so many people are saying how they are sponsored through them. Well, I decided to reach out to them, see what's up. And how they're doing it is basically, you buy their shirt and then you put on, you get like a 10 or 20% discount, and you put their code in your description. Well, there's so many people, Instagram people and YouTube people who think that, they're actually being sponsored by this company. They just want any kind of sponsorship, so they put that in their description, so they're sponsored. At the end of the day, all you're doing is buying a sponsorship. To me, it's not real. It shows, hey, you bought a Gentleman's Driving Club's shirt. It's not bad, and they're not a bad company, but I'm just seeing a bunch of other companies use that same tactic, reach out to you, say, hey, them contacting you in the message, they'll say, hey, you're a really good social media influencer, you make great videos, you post great pictures, buy a shirt from us right here and we'll sponsor you. Well, they're making profit on that shirt, and all you're doing is helping them out by giving them free publicity. And I'm sure that there's a bunch of car people out there who go to all these other Instagram people's, their pages, seeing how they're sponsored by Gentleman's Driving Club. They see it so many times everywhere. That's exposed the Gentleman's Driving Club to them. So guys, just stop buying your sponsorships. It's not bad, but at the end of the day, you're not really helping yourself. So get a real sponsorship. If you're really interested in being sponsored, email companies, be very professional about it. Don't message them on Instagram or Messenger. Just be professional, because at the end of the day, all a sponsorship is a company helping you out, whether it be through a discount, like a big discount, or free products, or at very least giving you some kind of exposure, whether it be them sharing you on their YouTube, Instagram, or something. If they're not doing that, all you're doing is paying for their advertising. That's all you're doing. But that is just my thought on buying sponsorships. Let me know what y'all think down in the description. I'm sure that some of y'all are gonna think a little bit differently, but let me know what y'all think. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.